Our guests today are here from Long Home Products, Katie DePaola, fourth generation at Long Home Products, a family-owned business, and Evan Green, a roofing product specialist at Long. Thanks for joining us today, guys.
Thank you so much for having us.
Of course. I think this is such a huge topic. I mean, picking a roof and just picking a company to help you, it can be so confusing and so stressful.
It can be so overwhelming. There's so many options when you go to do anything in your home.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the roof, it's really, really important that you do things the right way, which we feel is the long way.
Right. I think so too. So what exactly is the right way? Tell us.
So I think when you're hiring a roofing contractor, you really want to make sure that that contractor has been around for a while and can be around for a while in the future. Because roofing problems that happen 5 years down the road or 10 years down the road are really expensive to fix.
Yes.
So you want to make sure you're hiring a company that shows that they've been able to do it for a long period of time and that they have the resources and the ability to continue to do it when you need them down the road.
I think especially with our weather, like we just need people that are available to us. You never know when there's going to be a snowstorm or maybe a heat wave. Like we really have everything here, so we really do always kind of need help.
Yeah, so it's one thing for a company to offer a warranty, right? Let's say like a 50-year warranty.
Yeah.
It's a whole other thing to know that that company is going to be around to service that warranty. So Long has been around for almost 80 years now. And so when you go to these other companies and you start shopping and you shop warranties, you want to know that they're going to be there to service it, like Evan said.
Absolutely.
Sure, a warranty by itself is meaningless. What's important is the company that's behind that warranty. And in order for us to be able to give someone that warranty, we have to use the best materials that are available, the most durable materials, stuff that really is proven and will stand the test of time. And those products have to be installed by highly skilled, competent workers. And that's our recipe for delivering someone a roof that will last for 50 years.
So how would I know if a roofing company is a reputable one?
Well, a reputable roofing company, first of all, is going to provide evidence to their customers that they're fully insured, that anybody who's stepping foot on their property is covered under their workers' comp, that they have a liability insurance policy that's significant to deal with any property damage that potentially could occur or any injury that could occur on the property. A reputable roofing company is going to do everything that they can to manage their projects professionally, to make sure that they're doing everything that they can to minimize any risk of loss to the property itself and to minimize any risk of injury to the workers that are working on the property.
I definitely think that's such a great point, especially you want to be protected as a homeowner. I mean, these are people that are on your roof. It's not like they're inside your home. So
Exactly.
that does make a huge difference.
Yeah.
For anybody that wants to get more information or they want to book with you guys, where can they go?
So you want to go to longroofing.com and we will send an expert out to your house.
Awesome. Thank you guys for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.